Hi ladies, and welcome to week 4. We've actually made it halfway through the session, so congratulations to all of you. This week we're going to discuss future of the healthcare workforce. Our competencies are to apply complex healthcare laws and effective solutions within the constraints of policy, law, regulations, and ethical principles in the management of healthcare organizations. We're going to break that down to analyze the reason for the shift in jobs to service jobs, such as in the healthcare industry. We're going to explain the impact that the increase in healthcare jobs has on the economy. We're going to identify the impact of an aging population on the delivery of healthcare by qualified professional and support staff. And we're going to discuss the connection between retention, mentoring, and organizational learning. Again, our textbook reading this week is from McWay, Chapter 14, Human Resource Management. Our discussion is going to explore why jobs are moving from manufacturing to service jobs. In the 21st century, as the economy shifts away from manufacturing to service jobs, discuss why healthcare is being seen as increasingly important to a state's economy. What are the financial implications as healthcare service jobs increase? And our assignment is to research and discuss information on the shortages of healthcare providers. Include the impact of the change in the demographics of the workforce on healthcare organizations and consumers. What challenges did this cause? How do organizations quickly overcome these challenges? Discuss the connection between retention, mentoring, and organizational learning. Include any personal experiences you or a friend may have had, and include any program ideas that may improve the issues. I'll be speaking a lot in the discussion about the nursing shortage that we are currently having, and the fact that at least 40 to 50% of nurses are baby boomers and are within 5 to 6 years of retirement. And also the fact that nursing schools have a hard time attracting faculty. And this really is a challenge to getting more nurses into the workforce.